All right, everybody, what is up? How's it going? We are here on the island. No? Port A? I don't know where I'm at. Half the time, I'm trying to figure out what street I'm on. We're out here in Port A. This is a demo. I haven't done a video in a little bit, I know. It's hard to do these videos, to be honest with you. That's one of the reasons why I've kind of fallen out. I mean, because it's hard to show you all these videos while I'm trying to get shit accomplished, you know? So this is a demo. Like I said, I'm on the second story right now. And basically what's going on here is we had all this tile that was set up on a hardy backer on the floor over here in the kitchen. And you know, that's the old school way of doing it. As far as what I've heard, I used to do this all the time. Look at all the nails that are on the floor there still. I think this is the first time me doing a video with my new phone. So this might look good. I don't think that they're gonna keep the carpet. I'm not really sure. I'm keeping it in there right now. Let's go ahead and finish this off. I've already demoed out all of this area here in the bathroom. Oh, holy shit. I've already demoed out all of this in the bathroom there. As far as I could get on the toilet's still trickling water, so I'm not gonna mess with that because I'm not a plumber. So yeah, let's rip this up. Let's rip the rest of this up. And we've got like 2 rows right here. All right. You want a new brand to use? There's so many fucking nails like all over this area right here. I mean, there's nails and nails and nails, and that's why it's a little difficult for me to get in there and under that shit. You know what I mean? You gotta be careful with a lot of shit when you're doing these demos. Your fingers, your toes. And hopefully you don't break anything in the process. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to avoid. I know it's a demo, but I'm trying to avoid demoing out shit that I don't need to, because if you can see over here, whenever they were undoing the back of the tub over here, they ended up messing it up right there where they cracked the whole front end. You see that? That was a whole front end that was right there. That ended up getting cracked. There it is over there against the wall. And shit like that just happens. You know, especially whenever you're doing demos like this. It just, not necessarily, I wouldn't say that it's inevitable, you know what I mean? Like, it's gonna happen, but I'm trying my best to avoid it from happening. You know what I mean? Like, let's get in here, let's demo, but at the same time, make it feasible and as less damaging, the less damage that you can do while doing this demo, the better. All right. Of course, after you do all that, time to clean up. Probably gonna have to come back and hammer down these nails. But yeah, for the most part, that's demo right there, man. Demo 101. Come up in here, beat the crap out of the floor with your Bosch. Show them who's the Bosch. You know what I mean? And yeah, man. There you go. Sweep up all this fucking bullshit. Take it downstairs. Throw it away. I should be wearing a mask and not breathing in all of this crap, but hey, man, when you're doing demo, you got a lot of trash. Don't forget, I'm upstairs, so I gotta get this trash up in these buckets. Come over here down the stairs. Outside and throw it in the dumpster. And that's all day. 2 stories. The second story right now, we're getting ready to go ahead and demo out that second bathroom that's up there. That ought to be fun. Look at that. I saved the tile. And we can put it back. Now on this part, I'm gonna try my best not to break this toilet. The water's still trickling through it, so I gotta work my way